everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unstuffing from my envelopes, and I'm also going to do a cash condensing because I always like to do that before I take money back to the bank, see if I can condense some of these envelopes a little bit more. I have all of the amounts that I need to unstuff from my envelopes, so I'm just going to get into my wallet first because I have some Starbucks that I'm going to be taking back, some coffee money, which I already put in my wallet in here. Actually, I have a couple of things in here. So whenever I do a reload, I just put the money in that little pocket, and then I take this back to the bank. I like to just take it back to the bank and then just start over with new money for the following week. So for Starbucks, I need $20. That's these two 10s right here. And then I also, at work, I purchased the pastries for my coworkers this week, so I spent $30 on my card, and they gave me some cash to pay me back for that. So that is this one right here, this $30. So I'm actually just gonna cross that off, and then that's the $30 that's going back to the bank for that. And I think, well, you know what? I kind of want to highlight this because I like highlighting these things. When I'm done. Okay, so there's that one's done, and then this one's done. Okay, and I think that's it from here. Yeah, all of my other amounts are from different envelopes. So I'm gonna go into, let's go to this one. So I went out of town, and whenever I go out of town, I like to use Road Trip to fund the gas for that. So I need 35 because that's usually what I put in to go to Disney. It's about like an hour and a half away from me. So 35 has been a good amount with the way gas prices are right now. That's been a good amount to put in and go and come back with that amount. So I have 35 here. So this is gonna go back to the bank. Gonna cross that off here and check this off here. And then I do have to update my tracker. So I'm left with $23 left in Road Trip. Oh, there's actually one more thing I want to pull before I update this. I also bought a drink. Okay, I bought a drink. Usually, and I've been spending Road Trip money on this too. Like if I stop to get something to drink or to eat while I'm driving, I'll just take it out of Road Trip. And I went to Panera and I got a drink. So I think, okay, I have $3, and I think you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take $1 from my buffer. So I just need $1, and I have $1 in here. I haven't used any of this money, so I'm just gonna take $1 from here just to, I could make change from another envelope, but I think I'm gonna do this instead. So I'm just gonna take these $4 here, and that's gonna go back to the bank. So that's this Road Trip money for that drink, and then I am left with $20 for Road Trip. And that was $20 left. Oh yes, that's right. Okay, sorry. I was adding it up wrong in my head. So I'm left with 20, so I took out, it was 35, so it was 39. Okay. So that is Road Trip. Next is Rainy Day. So I took a day off from work, and I like to just, I didn't use PTO, so just to help out my pay for the week. This isn't gonna cover the whole day that I missed, but it's a little something. So I'm just gonna take $50 and just take that back to the bank. Okay, so that's $50 from Rainy Day. That's going back to the bank. So that's what I like to use this money for. It's for days that I don't take PTO or don't use PTO, but I take it off from work. Or days where I'm not feeling well, I can just get myself something to make me feel better. So yeah, All right, so that one's good. All right, a couple other things. I have clothing and fun, which are in the white binder. So we go to that one next. White binder next. So clothing, I bought a sweater, so I'm going to pull 43 out of clothing. So I should have 43. I could take 50. No, I'm gonna do 20. I'm gonna do 40 and 3 because I have enough. 1, 2, 3. I have the right amount. Okay, so that's 43 for the sweater that I bought. That's going back to the bank. And I'm left with 50, 60, 65, $66 left. Okay, and I can cross off this one. That is clothing. And then next, I am going to be pulling from fun. So I went out to eat with my family, and I actually meant to give this to them while we were at the restaurant, but it totally like slipped my mind, and I told them I was gonna pay them back in cash. So this is actually gonna go to my, but yeah, this is gonna go back to my sister because they paid for a meal that we went out to eat, and then I was just gonna give them money. So I'm gonna give them $70. So I'm gonna take this 70. This is gonna go with them. It's the only thing that's not going back technically to the bank, but it's coming out of my envelopes. And I'm just gonna actually, I'll do it in a bit, but I'll put it in here once I'm done. So 70, so that's 20, 25, $26 left in fun. So 26, 70. Okay, and I'm just going to wipe this out or highlight this. Okay. Oh, actually, I still need to calculate the amount that I should have. So let me do that next. Right. Let's see. So I have 20, 35, 50, 43, 74, and 30, which is 252. Okay, so that's how much I should have over here. So let's see if that is correct. So that's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 15, 20, I'm sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. All right, so 252 is here. Perfect. All right, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can condense any of my envelopes, but which 20 do I have? 20, 40, 60. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can condense. All right, so let me go in here first. See if I can keep some of these 50s. So this one has 420. So I can do a 20. So 10, 15, 20. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. For auto repair. Actually, my maintenance light just turned, no, it's kind of like a little pre-warning that I'm going to need maintenance soon. Usually it hits like around 500 miles before I need maintenance. So I'm already getting that little alert on my car. So that is coming up soon. All right, so Christmas I have 400. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can do another 50 here. 20, 40, 50. So that's 1, 2, 300, 350, 400 for Christmas. Electronics has 620. Actually, no, it has 125, but I can do a 20. So 125 in cash. Oops, wrong one. Electronics, but I have 500 in the bank, so 625 for that one. Emergency, I can't do anything there, but I have $60 in cash. In here, extra debt, I have 85. So that one is actually good. Furniture has 130. So that one's good. Rainy day has 25, so that should be good. Registration has 90. So I can do 10, 15, 20. So that's 50, 70, 90. And registration. Road trip has 20. That one's good. Scentsy has 41. So is this one good? I can do a 20. All right, so 20. So that's 41. Subscription says 25, so I can do another 20 here. Oops, that's 25 for subscriptions. And treat yourself has 62, so I could do a 50 in here. A 50 and a 10 for this one. So that's 62 for treat yourself. All right, I'm actually gonna do savings next because I know I have a bunch of ones in here I can condense a little bit. So, let's see, this is my Go Wild envelope. So this one has 205. All right, oh, actually, can't do anything here because I don't have any 50s. All right, so that one's good. Let's see, this one I can condense a little bit. So I could do 40. So that's 60 in here. $60. This one, a bunch of 5s. So let me do the 5s first. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I can do 5, 10, 15, 20. And actually I can do another 20. So 10, 15, 20. So that's 65. Okay, I think I have 120 left. All right, let's see what I can do in here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I can do 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $20 here. And then I have all of these ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm actually going to save this 20. Do I want to save this 20? Yeah, I'm just going to save that 20 because I feel like I could use it somewhere else. And then just change these to 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me just double check that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I think that's all I can do in there. And these are just ones I've been collecting. So that one's coming along nicely. And then I have one more binder, which is this white one. Let's see. This one has 74. Okay, I can do a 10 here. So that's 70, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clothing, that one's good. Content, I can do another 10 here. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 63. Costco has 49. Okay, so I can do some 10s. 10 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So the Costco has 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 7, 8, 9, 49. Costco. Disney. Oh, I have a bunch of ones in here for some reason. I have a bunch. Okay, so 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 51 in Disney. Family, that one's good. Fun, that one's good. Gifts, I think I'm gonna leave that one as it is. Hobbies, that one's good. Holiday decor, home decor, that one's good. Household, 74, I can do a 10. So that's 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think this is the last one. Target. 25. Okay, like I said, I'm going to keep that 20. Just because I don't want to give my family a bunch of smaller bills. So I need to give them some larger ones. All right, so although I think I can, you know, I'm just going to grab a 20 from here. I'm spending. Just so I have like a couple larger bills to give them. Okay, that should be fine. All right, so now I'm just gonna double check my total. I should have 252 still over here. So make sure that's correct. So I have 40, 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 5s. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15. Okay. All right, so I have a bunch of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Plus 37 is 252. Perfect. All right, so all of this money, well, let me see. I'm going to just put 20, 40, 50, 60, 70 of this is going to go to my family. So I'm just going to put this in my wallet in the back. Actually, no, I'm not going to put it in the back because that's where I put money I take back to the bank. So I'm just going to slip it in this little pocket here. That's the money I'm going to give them this weekend. But the rest of this is going to be money I actually just take back to the bank and put back into my checking. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.